Hello family, I'm thrilled to be back with you all, and as you can see, Vanessa is joining me once again. Recall that in the prior video, we executed this particular haircut technique.
But tell me, Vanessa, how have you felt with this haircut? Honestly, I have felt very comfortable. I really like the cut. People have told me it suits me very well because it is short. Well, the haircut. And you feel incredibly comfortable in that chair.
Yes, and I would like to inform you that this is a highly versatile haircut because it is perfectly suitable for any type of face, regardless of its shape or features, making it an ideal choice for everyone. So if you have a round face, you might say, oh, I have a chubby face, I don't like it, and I want to make it less prominent. I suggest Vanessa's haircut because I know you will look incredibly fabulous and stunning. But guess what? Today we are going to engage in the coloring activity. And who better than Vanessa to inform us about your color preference?
Well, I desire a pink one, to be honest. I have been desiring that fantasy color for a lengthy period of time, so let us see how it appears on me.
It's going to look fabulous on you because with this haircut, you're going to rock it. And I want to tell you that fantasy shades also look perfect at any age, because I've done fantasy tones and people ask me, why do you say they're just for young girls? They are totally correct. These shades appear flawless at any age. However, let's not waste any additional time. Keep in mind that this dyeing procedure is going to consume a considerable amount of our time. Please do not get impatient. I would like you to stay until the conclusion of this video so that you can learn how to properly execute these types of colorings and present your models or clients with stunning colorings that elicit the question, who performed this task on your behalf? Let's start with this tutorial. Let us commence by discussing Vanessa's bleaching process. She maintains her natural hair color at a level of dark blonde, which serves as the starting point for her transformation. She possesses a very attractive hair color, but she desires a drastic change, and she desires it in the color pink. The formula for bleaching will be composed of 3 scoops of coloring powder in addition to 20 volume developer, along with the special intensive therapy ampule that is specifically designed for treating brittle hair. If you require additional formula because what you created initially was insufficient, please keep in mind that you have the option to make it once more. When we are going to perform a bleaching treatment, it is of utmost importance to moisturize the hair beforehand in order to prevent any potential damage to the hair strands. Let's generously apply GENVIR's hydrating serum from mid-length to ends of the hair for optimal hydration. Our plan is to proceed with the bleaching procedure. I will initiate the process from the front part, making sure to leave a 1 centimeter root and thoroughly saturating the hair to achieve perfect results. It is of utmost importance to have a highly effective saturation. I am going to carefully position aluminum foil in order to provide a protective barrier for Vanessa's delicate skin and prevent any premature itching of the product from occurring. I suggest utilizing this technique to enhance your comfort while working and alleviate any concerns about the client experiencing excessive itchiness that may hinder your productivity. We are planning to apply, as I previously mentioned, while ensuring a 1 centimeter gap is left from the ends of the surface. Once the bleach has been applied to the complete front section, I will proceed to the back section and follow the exact same procedure that was used for the front. I position the aluminum foil, ensuring there is a 1 centimeter allowance for root growth, and partition the hair underneath. Afterward, I proceed to evenly distribute and apply the product throughout the entire head. If all of you guys observe, you will notice that the front part is almost completely bleached. A large number of you frequently ask me, Betty, why do you start from the front and not from the back as per the rules of colorimetry that dictate the proper procedure? I apply it in this manner because I execute the process too rapidly and I prefer the anterior section to possess a greater level of luminosity. If you observe, we have left it on for approximately 20 minutes and the hair is nearly fully lightened, showing significant progress in the lightening process. You can still observe a yellow reflection in that area, but there is a flawless lightening effect from the roots to the ends. This is due to the presence of a highly effective bleach with excellent saturation. It's important that you saturate, as I always mention, so that you don't end up with uneven bleaching. After conducting a thorough examination of all the bleaching, I proceed to apply the exact same bleaching formula to the roots of the hair. We have been applying the bleach to Vanessa's head for a duration of around 35 minutes, ensuring it has been on her hair for an adequate amount of time. Bear in mind that she has dark blonde hair, which means that the process of lightening her hair is much easier compared to other hair colors. At this point, we are already implementing it on the roots. In this process, we begin from the back, ensuring complete saturation in a perfect manner. Once the posterior part is completed, we transition to the anterior part and execute the identical procedure on both sides in accordance with the established protocol. After a duration of 40 minutes, take a look at the lightening I successfully achieved on Vanessa's hair. A pale yellow clarification was attained. Our intention is to remove the bleach utilizing the deep cleansing shampoo in order to completely eliminate all bleach residues. We are going to perform a second application of bleach on the roots because there were sections that resulted in a more golden shade, and we had already allowed the bleach to process for a duration of 40 minutes. That's why we removed it, but Vanessa's hair still needs a bit more clarification. We are in the process of creating this bleaching formula using a 10-volume cream developer, and we are also incorporating the intensive therapy ampule as well as the bleaching powder. We first apply it to the roots and then move on to the mid-lengths and ends, and we continue this process throughout the entire head. Keep in mind that our preference is for a pink hue, while she specifically desires a fuchsia pink shade, and I require a bleaching process that minimizes yellow reflection. A slight yellow reflection is acceptable, but it should not be overly pronounced. We allowed this bleaching process to sit naturally for a duration of 25 minutes and subsequently proceeded to wash and shampoo with deep cleansing once more in order to effectively eliminate any remaining bleach residues, as you are already aware. Now, take note that the hair becomes visible with a paler shade of yellow compared to before. Let us assess the resistance of Vanessa's hair. I will extract a small strand of hair and subject it to tension to determine its strength. I desire for you to witness that the hair is in an extremely good condition. Do not hesitate to carry out bleaching. If you execute it accurately, absolutely nothing will happen at all. The quality of the products you use for this type of work is important. It is now the appropriate time to formulate the color for this girl. We are going to employ a total of 90 milliliters of 10-volume developer, along with the inclusion of a tube containing fuchsia pink colorant. This shade appears extremely pleasant. We are planning to blend it flawlessly and put it on from the roots to the ends. I want you to observe the color as it appears on Vanessa's hair. It is applied starting from the roots and extending to the ends, and then left on for a processing time period of 25 to 35 minutes. In the case of Vanessa, in order to enhance the saturation of the tone and increase the durability of the coloration, we allowed a natural processing time of 35 minutes, which was crucial for achieving the desired results. Following that period, we proceeded to remove the fantasy color by thoroughly rinsing with an abundant amount of water, and then applied a retention bath to ensure long-lasting results. This shampoo, which is ideal for this type of coloring that you want to last longer, it is crucial to wash it with the appropriate shampoo in order to maintain its longevity. After rinsing off the shampoo, we will use the firm color mask to seal the color. The color mask will be applied from mid-length to ends of the hair. We are going to utilize a straight, well-hydrated, this moisturizer, that leaves the hair incredibly shiny and perfectly straight in its appearance. When applying this type of coloring, it is crucial to consider that they require special treatments because it is important to remember that bleaching has already been done, and if you want the color to last or prevent your hair from getting damaged, it is of utmost importance to use the correct treatments that are specifically designed for this purpose. Here, Steffi and Kathy will be responsible for giving Vanessa the final touch, both in terms of makeup and hairstyle, so make sure to stay until the end to be pleasantly surprised by Vanessa's new look. Here we are already well in front, and after Vanessa, she really looks like a different person. I personally really like these tones because they bring a lot of joy, enthusiasm, and look very fresh. As I mentioned earlier, they look perfect at any age. The vibrancy and liveliness of these tones make them a great choice for adding a pop of color to any outfit or face. Thank you, family, for joining me in this video. Now it's your turn to practice. I am providing you with the techniques, but I would appreciate it if you could begin practicing in order to attain these exquisite shades on your own as well. Remember, if you want to stay updated every week when I upload a video, you have to subscribe and hit the bell so that you receive notifications and be the first to find out about the content I upload. Sending you a big hug and many blessings. Looking forward to your comments.